How's it going, guys? Robin here from M-Tech Performance. Today we're here with another banger of a video. We have a 2023 G80 M3 X-Drive in for some performance goodies. To start it off, we're gonna go ahead and install some bay-mounted intakes by Mastery Art of Design, and then we're gonna move on to the Active AutoWorks single mid-pipe to go along with their catted downpipe. Of course, this car is gonna get tuned. We're planning to do a flex fuel tune, 93 and E50. On E50, the car will be somewhere around 730 to 740 wheel horsepower, and about like the torque will probably follow around the same. And then on 93, you'll probably see somewhere around 620 to 640 wheel horsepower on 93, and the torque will probably be just around the same. So let's go ahead and get these parts installed and see how it goes.
Remove strut brace. Disconnect O2 sensors before lifting the car makes it easier to remove downpipes. Carefully remove stock intakes and put them in storage. Reuse the factory clips on piping and reuse them on the new intakes. Mastery of Art and Designs brings their own set of gaskets to reduce vibration noises. To install the intake, you will follow the removal of the factory intakes in reverse. Remove all 7 million of the screws holding up the under paneling. When removing the stock, downpipes make sure you're careful so you don't snag the O2 sensors on anything. You'll use your fancy dandy Amazon pipe cutter that we linked in our other video and cut exactly where we told you to. Now, once you remove all of the old parts of the factory exhaust system, you'll reverse the steps, including new ones, like the adapting couplers, and tighten them nice and snug. You'll be reusing the factory exhaust gaskets in the new ones. If yours are in rough shape, you can order some from us. After completing the install of the exhaust, we pulled it into our other bay with our dyno. Here we performed 93 octane tune and a 50 octane tune.